It has already begun. AI is no longer a tool. It's rewriting our world faster than we ever imagined. Jobs lost, industries changed, truth blurred, power shifting. Are we witnessing the greatest revolution in human history? Or artificial intelligence isn't just improving, it's evolving. Chatbots that sound human, art indistinguishable from masterpieces, AI scientists creating new life-saving drugs in days, work that once took decades. And yet, with every breakthrough, a new fear emerges. AI is solving problems once thought impossible. It's saving lives, revolutionizing creativity, and even predicting natural disasters. But with progress comes displacement, jobs erased, misinformation at scale, the rise of AI-driven surveillance. What happens when AI no longer needs us? When it starts making decisions beyond our control? The future is unwritten, but one thing is clear. AI will change everything, and we must decide, will we control AI or will AI control us? What do you think? Is AI a force for good, or are we playing with fire? Comment below and share this video with someone who needs to see this. Because one thing is certain, the future won't wait. Like, share, and subscribe to @Jegson Media for more mind-blowing insights. Explore our store for future-ready products. https www.jegsondigitalllc.com